seat of our pants, wherever we feel like going. Most of the time, we'll pick a restaurant that we like to go to, whether it's down in Marietta, out in Denison, Philly, or wherever. On to Kent, Ohio, up to Mike's, which is a nice place to go. Calcutta, just different places. We go to Columbus every so often too. Like I said earlier, I'm kind of like an old-fashioned country boy. Born and raised kind of, I would say super poor, but poor. You see a lot of fried bologna, and I like it. That's one of my kicks. I go around trying to find the best fried bologna spots there is. My personal opinion, Marietta down at the Harv, is the best that I've had. The second best is, I would say, Sebringa high up at the brick house or the firehouse, a little far up there. It's good. The bad thing is you got to travel. Marietta is about a 2-hour drive down there. Up Sebring's an hour and a few minutes. We've traveled clear to the west side of Columbus just to have a loaded sandwich. It was good, but it wasn't nothing I would brag about. But it's something to do. Earlier years when we rode, we used to go to the Harley shops and get the poker chips. We went to almost all of them in the state of Ohio, all of them in West Virginia, quite a few across the country we stopped just to see what it's like in different places. Kind of a big Harley fan. I guess it's what you were when you were growing up. He just bought, he has 2 Indians. We kind of razz each other back and forth about the difference between a Harley and an Indian. We always say, it doesn't matter what you ride, it's getting out and riding. Fresh air, sunshine. It is hard to really explain what the feeling is, the freedom, just the thrill. It's just something that you can't believe until you try it or do it. Kind of like riding a bike, a little faster, a bicycle. I just super stud or anything like that. I'm just a nice person that likes to ride, have fun, meet people. That's one of the exciting things about riding bikes and going to different bike weeks and different things. The people you meet are out of this world. I mean, super nice. Wouldn't trade it for the world. In a way, I wish I would have done this all my life, but things are the way they are. Day. Anytime you get to ride, I think it's great. But there are some that just like to ride a little 20 miles, 30 miles, whatever. They call that bike ride. We put an average of a couple hundred miles on that every day we go out, except for like this time of year. When we travel across country, we put 400 or 500 miles on it. days, a little more. Kind of depends on what you want, where you want to go, how you want to do it. Back to Sturgis and that, I went, brother and brother-in-law, or my son and brother-in-law, wanted to go down to Texas for the steak. But Brenda didn't want to, so that's the last time I'm going to listen to her. Just kidding. I had a couple more states if I would have just listened to them. I had Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi. And that's about it. Hope you enjoy. You need to like, share, and subscribe. And tell a friend that you love watching our channel.